Microsoft, screenshots, and pretty lights. Hello again, this is Eric, and boy have I got some tricks for you. Chromebooks might be lightweight, but they're still made for productivity. I'll show you a few things that maybe you didn't know how to do. First off, Microsoft documents. Got an assignment in a .docx format? Or maybe someone sent you a PowerPoint file. Don't worry, Google's got you covered. Just open the document and edit away. Your changes will be saved automatically. Or you can convert it into a Google Docs file. And you can always download it again as a Microsoft file if you need. While still on the topic of documents, you can edit all of your Google Docs files even while offline. Just open Google Drive from the apps list or the shelf and browse to the file you need to edit. Keep in mind that you'll have to download any Microsoft documents or PDF files you want to edit or view while you have internet. But docs, sheets, and slides all work offline. When you open a file offline, you will see a lightning bolt next to the title and a notification that changes were saved offline. When you connect to the internet again, your Chromebook will automatically sync with the online version. Giving a presentation and need to connect to another screen? Just plug it in. Chrome OS will automatically extend your display. You can mirror it and adjust resolution in the settings as well. If you need to move a window between displays, sure you can drag it, but the keyboard shortcut Alt-Search-M is a quick way to do that as well. If your audio isn't outputting the way that you want, click on your profile picture and then the arrow next to the volume meter to switch outputs. You can easily record yourself or take pictures through your webcam using the simple camera application. Just find it in the application menu or search for it and hit record. You can also take screenshots using a handy keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl plus the App View key to snap your whole screen. Take a partial screenshot using Ctrl plus Shift plus the App View key, and click and drag to highlight the part of the screen you want to capture. After you take a screenshot, you'll get a notification that has an option to view the file or copy the image to your clipboard. To put applications side by side, you can either drag the window to either side or click and hold the Maximize button and drag to either the left arrow or the right arrow that appears. When you have two windows in place, hover over the seam between them until a handle appears and drag it left or right to adjust the sizing. When you attach a USB drive, you'll get a notification with a link to view it in the Files app. Once you're done, you can eject the drive using the button next to its name in the Files app. Finally, the pretty lights. You'll notice that you have a Dell Activity Light icon permanently attached to the shelf. This is a little application that allows you to change the color of the light on the back of your Chromebook. There are options to raise your hand, indicate that you have a question or problem, or in a discussion setting, let others know that you have something to add. And that's it. Those are all the tips I've got for you on how to use your Chromebook. If you can't remember some things, go to the Help application. Many of the things I showed you are documented in there. Come along to the last video where I show you some troubleshooting tips for when your Chromebook isn't acting as expected.